How to hide blue tick marks in WhatsApp. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this quick tutorial video, I'm here to guide you on how to disable read receipts. So do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe for more tech and tips videos. First of all, launch WhatsApp application on your device. Make sure that you have logged in or signed into your particular account. Now tap three-line icon at top right corner of the screen. On this drop-down menu box, select Settings. Now on the Settings, select Privacy. Scroll down, locate Read Receipts, and here the button has been toggled on. In order to hide blue tick marks in WhatsApp, you have to disable Read Receipts. For that, tap on the button here and toggle it off. If turned off, you won't send or receive read receipts. So read receipts are always sent for group chats only. So they will always be able to see them in WhatsApp group chats only, but not in individual private chats. So that is how we successfully hide blue tick marks in WhatsApp or disable read receipts. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.